channel. So I'm going to be doing a little bit of meal prep. So welcome to Meal Prep Monday. I've got to get some meals done ahead. I do pretty well, but I want to be very successful on my Weight Watchers freestyle journey, and the only way to do that is to meal prep. So I'm going to be doing quite a bit of meal prep in my home. It's probably going to take me a little bit over an hour just to prep everything, but I'm going to push through and power through until I get what I need done. So here's my meal prep list, and I may add some things. I'm going to be doing egg muffins with the turkey crumbles. You know, eggs are 0 points. I'm going to be putting in some veg for 0 points, and then the Jimmy Dean's turkey crumbles for a certain amount is points, but I'm going to get it as low as I can for 0 points, and hopefully those will be 0 point egg muffins. We'll put a 1/4 cup of fat-free cheese throughout the entire batter. I'm going to try to do 36 of them if I can. I'm going to be doing some applesauce with peaches, and I've seen Julie over at Living Large on Lifetime do this. I think Jess from Weight Watchers Journey to Healthy does it. I've seen Lisa from Lisa's Country Kitchen do it, and they use fresh apples. So the apples I'm going to be using today are the Lux fried, well, these are fried peaches, but the apples I'm going to be using today are the Lux fried apples, and I know these have points because of the sugars, but these are fat-free. But I'm going to empty these, drain them, and rinse them off several times to try to lessen the points. So I will count some points for these, but I'm going to drain them first. I've got 2 cans of apples. I have 2 cans of peaches. And then I'm going to also use 2 cans of pineapple. I know they do it with cranberries, but I thought I would mix it up a little bit. And I'm also going to be adding in some frozen sliced peaches as well. So I'm just going to, I like the texture in the chunk, so I'm going to work with that. Not going to put any sugar in it, but I'm going to use a little bit of cinnamon for that. Then I'm going to be doing a crockpot spaghetti sauce like I did before. I will leave that link to this recipe in the description box. Then I'm going to be trying the 2-ingredient dough, and that's using the non-fat Greek yogurt and self-rising flour, and I'm going to try to make cheddar garlic biscuits for me and the kids. I will tell you what the points are on that. I'm not really sure. I'm also going to be doing some yogurt parfaits using some dry frozen fruit I got at Walmart this morning. Weight Watching Mama did her fruit. She actually just soaked her fruit in some Splenda. I'm going to be using Truvia, and I'm going to put that in my yogurt. Jess does yogurt parfaits, so I'm going to be doing that. We're going to be doing pancakes. I'm going to be using the Kodiak cakes like Julie does to make them. I think it's either 0 points or 1 point. It's 0 or 1 point pancakes. So I'm going to have Jackson help me with that. I'm going to also be making a crock-pot chili. We're going to be doing a tuna salad. And I'm also going to be doing the veggie dip using the Greek yogurt. So far that's what I have on my list of things to do. And I'll bring you back as I'm doing each individual thing. Okay, I'm getting ready to load in my items that I'm pre-prepping. So in this crock pot, I'm doing tomato sauce. So I have browned up about 1 pound of 96% fat-free beef with a bag of chopped onions, some green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and red bell pepper. The bell peppers I got on a markdown special. They were $1. I had them in my freezer. I pulled them out. The chopped onions I bought in a bag, so I just went ahead and threw the whole bag in. I'm going to split this between the tomato sauce and the chili. All I did was put black pepper, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and I'm just going to go ahead and split this. and then everything else in. I'm just using the Fermano's Petite Diced tomatoes. I drained 1 can and I left the juice in 1 can. These are the Italian style tomatoes.